To relieve ear pressure after a flight, several methods can be employed. Chewing gum or candy before takeoff and landing can help, as swallowing activates the muscles in the mouth that open the eustachian tube, thereby unclogging the ears. The Frenzel maneuver is another technique used to equalize ear pressure, which involves pinching the nose, closing the mouth, and attempting to make the K sound. Alternatively, talking or yawning can also help to unclog the ears by activating the eustachian tubes and changing the muscles around them. The Valsalva maneuver is another option, where one takes a breath, holds it, pinches the nose shut, closes the mouth, and then exhales gently while bearing down, similar to blowing up a balloon. Applying heat to the ears using a warm cloth or heating pad can also help to unclog the eustachian tube. By following these steps, ear pressure can be relieved after a flight.